How to find someone email on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find someone email address on Facebook only if they have made it public. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the Facebook, what you can do is simply search for that person name. And now here, once you are inside that person profile, what you can do is just scroll down to the personal details section, and there, if they have added the contacts and basic info, then you will see the email listed there. But if you don't see an email, it means that the person has chosen to keep it private. And with that, important note is that Facebook does not allow to see the private emails, hack accounts, and it don't reveal the hidden contact info. So here, if the email isn't visible, then there is no official way to access it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.